Alright guys, so just giving you guys a little fast update. Update coming very soon. Uh Review coming up real soon. So as you can see right here, we got the 11-inch iPad, what is it? The iPad Air M2. We got the 11-inch and we got the 13-inch right there. So we got both of them. This one is my son's, this one is mine's. So yeah, we're gonna do a review on that a little bit later. Just giving you guys a little video. Not gonna be really that big, not too long like that. Just want you guys to see that we have it inside the office and we're gonna review it. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces one. Like it. Um, Share it. I don't care what y'all do with it. But yeah, review coming up for both of these iPads coming up soon. Catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces one, bitches. Holla. Yeah. Alright, peace.